I had a heart murmur for years, and it probably developed right after I got out of the Army, and all the time I was on the mission field, well, I had it. And when I moved up here with my late wife, I was referred to Dr. Tomble, and Dr. Tomble, he followed it for several years, and then he said, we're going to have to do something about it because it's getting to the point now where it's getting dangerous. And Dr. Wiesen and I, we hit it off right to the bat. He was really a great guy, and he's a comedian. We had a good time, and he examined, and he said, well, he says, I believe you're a candidate for TAVR. TAVR is a trans-aortic valve replacement, and that's where they go up. They don't have to invade by going through open chest. They go up through the groin and go up into the aortic valve, and they replace it, and it goes around. It wraps around the old valve. From what I understand, it wraps around the old valve, and it just takes off. So we went, and on the 30th of May, I had the procedure, the TAVR procedure, and then here at Erlanger, and 2 days later I was out of the hospital, and then 2 days after that I was driving, and within a week of the TAVR I was scrambling eggs for the men's breakfast at our church. And I've never had a bit of a problem with it, but I'm very, very grateful to Dr. Wiesen and the fine work and he and his staff did.